Hi guys, today we will show you an indicator for JForex or Dukascopy broker. This indicator is very simple and works easy. Just to put inside, as you can see, one instrument long and one short, or otherwise too long, too short, up to you. In this case, I'm using USA 500 is the Standard & Poor's, and use SC 2000 is the Russell Index. If you combine these two instruments, one long and one short, you will get this equity. You can see the line, the white line is the equity. Standard & Poor's plus Russell Index together. I'm using this because if you're using just Standard & Poor's, is more volatile, but if you use with together with the Russell Index or other instrument like Dow Jones, for example, or Nasdaq, you combine a good equity like this. So this indicator show you this line and the possible price with these two instruments together. You can set also the, as you can see, the sides, and the indicator show you live what happen if you change the sides. You can combine three different instruments. You see also here euros, dollar, and now set 0 is vanished with 0. And I also combine the direction, long or short, for all three instruments, and also the date 2024 for start 7 July 21. In this case you can change what you want, and you can change also the if you want to show also the three instruments on this chart. This is the three instrument. If you move the sides, you will see the change of the equity and also the three instrument. If you want only a fair chart as this, only with the equity, you set up this field. With this indicator is present in the website hedgetrading.com. You can purchase here in this website, and this indicator is very smart for to buy in long term this instrument and stay far from the drawn. As you can see, if I buy only the, for example, long the Standard & Poor's, in the last in end July, in the last end drawn is around 200 euros. If you buy on the top of this moment, you will lost 200 euros, over 200 euros, as you can see. But if you buy combined the Standard & Poor's and the Russell Index, one long and one short, you'll have lost in this case only 137 euros. You will lost not too much as in the example only with the Standard & Poor's, if you buy only Standard & Poor's. So this indicator is good also for this for multi-day trading and for buying all the positions, but you have to check the different type of combination around different instruments. Okay, you can try this indicator on the website hedgetrading.com. Keep in touch.